Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q5 reverse light. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery negative terminal. Remove the trunk trim gently to reach the light housing, then unclip the bulb holder and swap the faulty bulb for the correct replacement. Test the new reverse light with the vehicle in reverse before reassembling trim, and keep tools nearby for quick adjustments. Gently fold back the trunk liner to expose mounting points, using a trim tool to avoid damage. Locate the light assembly and remove screws or clips holding the housing, then access the bulb holder. Twist or unclip the holder to free the bulb, noting orientation and connector type for correct replacement. Keep removed fasteners organized so reassembly is smooth and quick, and take a photo for reference if needed. Confirm the replacement bulb matches the original specification and avoid touching the glass with bare hands. Seat the new bulb into the holder, secure the holder back into the assembly, and reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Reattach the housing and trunk liner, then reconnect the battery and test the reverse light by gently shifting into reverse. If the light does not illuminate, recheck the connector and bulb seating for proper contact and alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.